Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a voice broadcast phone number using Twilio, right? In the previous video we have learned how to create an account on Twilio, and as you can see right now we are logged in into our Twilio account, and here it is showing the my first Twilio account. You just need to click on it, right? And whenever you click on it, then you will simply see this kind of dashboard, and as you can see right now we are having credits of 15.50 USD, right? This is the free credits that Twilio offers when anyone creates an account on the Twilio, right? Now it is asking us from which industry you belong, right? So we are just going to select business, and we are direct brand next, and whether if you are an owner, you can select business owner and click on next. And how do you want to build Twilio, with minimal code, right, or without code, whatever you want to do, next. And then it is asking why you have created an account on Twilio, for marketing purpose or customer care or verification, like we have seen many times, like OTP based logins and all that particular thing gets happen due to Twilio, right? So which channel are you interested in? We are interested in voice. Let's go. Okay, so we are into the Twilio. This is the Twilio dashboard. You can simply upgrade your Twilio account from here, right? I'm just going to right click on it and then click on open link in new tab, and you can see there are some upgradation plans available over here, right? It will load soon. You can simply add whatever the fund you want to add, right? Basically it is a prepaid wallet, right? You can add 20 USD minimum, right? Or you can go up to like 100 USD or 500. There is no limit for the upper limit, but there is a lower limit of 20 USD, right? So right now we are going to generate a phone number for outbound calls purpose, right? So I'm going to the phone numbers, and here you can see there is an option of manage active numbers, right? And right now we are having no active number, right? So we can simply buy a number, right? Or we can simply, if you don't have any Twilio phone number, buy a new Twilio number or port a number, right? Okay, so I will click on this. From here you can simply buy a Twilio number, right? Whatever the number you want, you can simply buy it from here. Like right now, as you can see, it is showing the Twilio number with having +1 code, right? So for any other country, you can simply click on it and you can select whatever the country code you want, right? Many times what happen is that you don't get a country code, right? Like if you search for India, right, the +91, then Twilio is not providing, right? So you can go with any other number as well. So let me click on active numbers again, right, and click on buy a number, and here we will buy an international number for the calling purpose, right? Because we are having 15.50 USD in our account, right? Okay, so we are just going to buy this. I have clicked on buy and buy this. Click on buy. Okay, voice and messaging routed in the United States. Yeah. Okay, so we have got the number, right? This is our active number, which we are going to integrate with other softwares like ElevenLabs for creating AI voice agent, because it would require a phone number to make calls, right? So this is how you can simply generate a phone number using Twilio, or you can buy your own number as well. It would charge differently, right? Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.